What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Mafia III Definitive Edition on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game on Steam first, before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and please follow all these steps, otherwise you are not able to download this game without overspending. So search up the game Mafia 3, and once you have done that, scroll a little bit down. And then you will find a free demo, but we are interested in the full game. And as you can see, the full game is quite expensive on Steam. It is €29.99. But if you click on the link in the description of this video, where it says find game here, you will be redirected to this website. Now what you need to do is search up the game Mafia 3. And once you have done that, select games on the left side. And after that, sort by price lowest first. And now you will find the same game for under €6. So what you need to do is click on this game, which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and of course the PC version, and then select it. After that, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €6.02 instead of the price of €29.99. So that will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an activation key, including all the steps to follow, or a completely new Steam account, completely legit, to download this game on your PC, but much cheaper than through the Steam store, where it is €29.99. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!